good?
Yes, I'm fine. And how are
Sorry,
you?
I'm
How are
fine,
you
thank
today?
you. I'm fine, thank you. Sorry, my PC in the company, I don't have my camera here, so I can't open my camera.
No problem at all. No problem at all.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're so excited to hear your experience about our software. So, let's get started.
Yes, please. Yes.
Okay. The first question is, can you start by introducing yourself and telling us what you are doing, your work field, or something?
Yes, my name is Roland. I'm running a company in Poland, in Europe. We are active in mostly on the social media to publish job offers. So
Yeah.
for this, we are using a lot of Facebook groups, to make our advertisement of please joining our job offers.
Interesting.
So for this, I found the MKT program, which is very helpful because it joins automatically the groups in Facebook and publish there our job offer.
Okay. So which MKT software are you currently using?
The name is MKT Care.
Okay. MKT Care and uh do you use any other software with MKT Care?
Well, there is a second program. You can help me out with the name.
Uh
It's the
MKT
program
UID,
who will.
right?
Yes, right.
MKT UID,
It's the
right?
program. Yes, it's the program who will find the groups or the website pages based
Ah,
on a search word, on a keyword.
okay. So currently I'm your supporter, right? So how has your experience about support team been? Except me, with our college or something?
Yes, well, I have to say I am very, very pleased with the support. On the start, it might look like, hey, strange. We are not very used to it in Europe,
Yeah,
by Telegram or like this, but it is amazing.
yeah.
The support team is knowing who you are, responding like in minutes. You only have to be aware of the time difference.
Okay.
Uh, they are 6 hours ahead of Europe. Um, so for the Europe time, you should be in the morning contacting the support team. Uh,
Yes.
else they will get back to you in the next day.
Okay. Glad to hear that. So the next question is, what do you think about the tool's performance and features?
Of the program, you mean, or of the
Yeah,
support
yeah.
team?
Of the program?
Yes, you have to get used to it.
Yeah.
Also because it's like a combination of the English, sometimes some Vietnamese texts, so that you have to, translate a little bit. But it's amazing. It is really amazing. It can do much more as what you think, and if it doesn't do what you think it does, just contact the support team, and they will fix it for you.
Okay. Would you mind giving us a quick tour on how you use our software with MKT Care or MKT UID, for example?
Well, as you see here, I have it on my laptop at the moment. It's running.
Yeah.
So here we have, at the moment, it's publishing at 8 Facebook pages.
You're
And
doing a posting function, right?
yes, at the moment we are posting in the various groups. Uh, and
Okay. That looks so great. That looks great. Uh,
and here is the program itself, where we are now doing the viral marketing, but we could also do account or the account managing.
okay. Thank you. The last question is, Could you recommend our software to other businesses or your friends?
Yes, absolutely. You have to invest some time to get, the Facebook accounts up and running.
Yeah.
So that is some time consuming, but the program is absolutely worth doing the job, publishing the posts on the Facebook groups or making comments on other posts. It's absolutely amazing.
Thank you so much, Mr. Roland, for sharing your story and your experience about our software. We really appreciate your time and honest feedback. And with your permission, we love to use this interview in our marketing channel so that our other user can benefit from your insight. Is that okay?
Yes, absolutely no problem.
Thank you so much, Mr. Roland, for joining us in our interview today. I wish you a nice day ahead. And if you have any problem, please tell me in the support groups. I'm very appreciate and glad to support you.
Yes, absolutely. Thank you, too, for your time, and also have a very nice day. And almost, I see on the clock, very nice evening.
Uh, thank you.
Thank you.
Hope yeah, hope one day we will meet in Vietnam or in your countries in the future.
Absolutely. I would love to get your invitation.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Roland. I will end the interview here.
Okay. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Thank you so much.